Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we're going to show you how to make slime, the ultimate DIY project for kids that's both fun and educational. Slime making is a fantastic activity for children of all ages, providing hours of entertainment while also fostering creativity and sensory exploration. Ingredients: 1 bottle of clear or white school glue. Half a cup of liquid starch or saline solution. Food coloring, optional. Glitter, optional. Mixing bowl. Spoon or spatula. Instructions. Start by pouring the entire bottle of glue into your mixing bowl. You can use clear or white glue depending on the desired texture and appearance of your slime. If you want to add color to your slime, now is the time to mix in a few drops of food coloring. Stir until the color is evenly distributed throughout the glue. Next, slowly add the liquid starch or saline solution to the glue while stirring continuously. Start with about 1/4 cup and gradually add more until you reach the desired consistency. The slime will begin to form as you mix in the liquid starch. Keep stirring and kneading the slime mixture until it starts to pull away from the sides of the bowl and becomes less sticky. If you want to add some sparkle to your slime, now is the perfect time to mix in some glitter. You can use any color or combination of colors to create your own unique slime creation. Once the slime is smooth and stretchy, it's ready to play with. Take it out of the bowl and have fun squishing, stretching, and molding your homemade slime. Store any leftover slime in an airtight container to keep it fresh for future playtime. Safety tips: adult supervision is recommended, especially when using liquid starch or saline solution. Avoid getting slime in eyes, mouth, or hair. Wash hands thoroughly after playing with slime. If allergic reactions occur, discontinue use immediately.